We finally have a reliable and easy to use face swapping tool along with a whole suite of useful AI products. This video is sponsored by Akool, but rest assured that this is my own unbiased review of the platform and its tools. I'm always interested in new AI developments and products. We've talked a lot about deepfakes on this channel, and when Akool reached out and asked me to test out their face swap tool, I was interested to see how their platform performed. So let's see how Akool stacks up. What exactly can you do with the Akool platform? Akool is a new generative AI platform for creators and innovators. They have several different AI products at your disposal, with the face swap tool being the main feature. At the time of recording, they state they have 1 million registered users, 10,000 companies using their tools, and that they've generated over 150 million pieces of content. With around 700,000 monthly visits to their website, that sounds about right. Coca-Cola recently collaborated with Akool because of their state-of-the-art face swap tech. With Akool's expertise, they jointly developed the game Ultimate You, a browser-based adventure where players could swap a photo of their own face onto the character in the video game. As their personalized character, players would traverse through a series of challenges and adventures in a world inspired by the flavors and essence of Coca-Cola Ultimate. The Akool technology ensured that the face swap was not just a superficial overlay, but a detailed integration adapting to the game's lighting, angles, and motions. This made the experience deeply personal and engaging for the players. So let's go ahead and try out a face swap, but first hit the like button if you'd like to permanently swap faces with Brad Pitt. The main product featured on Akool is the face swap tool. They've got a little demo of Elon Musk's face getting swapped onto this kid, and it looks pretty good. You can try out the demo they have with some pre-selected faces, or you can choose your own files. The interface is super simple and easy to use, so you don't need to be tech savvy or have any prior experience to use this tool. Just upload your source photo or video and then choose which face you want to swap out. Then you can select or upload the face you want swapped onto your source file. Click the HQ face swap button, and then you can head over to your library to check the finished file. And here we have this really lucky kid who now has Brad Pitt's face, and I'd say it looks pretty good. The face swap technology also works for group photos or videos, so you can swap multiple people's faces all at the same time. Let's make all of these people into Brad Pitt. Overall, I'm actually pretty impressed with the result. The effect does look pretty natural, and it even changes with the lighting from the original video. You can also select a few effects to modify your face swap. Re-age allows you to increase or decrease the age of the result, so we can swap a face and make them look a little older with wrinkles. Face Enhance adds a beautification effect to the result, smoothing out skin and creating more of a studio aesthetic. The results are high quality and ready to use in any of your creative materials or campaigns. Before I get into Akool's other features, please take a second and subscribe. I've got more AI content coming soon. While the face swap feature is really good, Akool also has many other use cases across several industries. First and foremost, the image generator and background change are essential tools for advertising. Whether you need to swap out a background or a product hero image, or generate some stock imagery for a blog post, you can make it happen with Akool. The realistic avatar works great if you have a YouTube channel, a course, or if you pump out a lot of content where you need a talking head. Pair it with your voice and you have a fully functional avatar acting as your double when you don't have enough time. On top of that, the video translate feature is an extremely valuable tool to broaden your reach and get more eyes on your brand, video, or product. If you follow Mr. Beast, you know he has multiple channels in different languages in order to reach audiences across the world. Video Translate allows you to automatically translate your video into another language. Not only that, it will generate synchronized lip movements that will match the new audio so your video looks natural. Akool prices their plans based on credits. Their professional plan is $21 a month billed annually, or $30 a month billed monthly. This is probably suitable for most individual creators, but each tier also has more credit allowance if needed. If you want to try out the Akool platform, I've got an affiliate link in the description. There's no credit card required to sign up, and you get 50 credits to use during your free trial. So which one of these tools would be most helpful for you? Let me know what you think in the comments. It's becoming more and more important to keep up with AI because if you don't, you might get left behind. Companies are implementing AI into their operations every day, so if you can learn to use AI to your advantage, you'll have a better shot at staying competitive in this ever-evolving landscape. Akool makes it easy to implement AI into your workflow, whether it's for marketing, creative, or anything else. Try out Akool for free today, and let me know how you like the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.